Starting a waste management company can be an exciting and rewarding venture. Today, we'll break down the steps you need to take to make your waste management business dream a reality. First things first, you'll want to do some research to understand the waste management industry and its trends. Think about what type of waste you'll handle: household, industrial, or hazardous. Each has its own set of rules and challenges, so it's good to be prepared. Next, you'll need a solid business plan. This is your roadmap. It should cover your business goals, the services you'll offer, your target market, and how you plan to stand out. It's like planning a road trip. You wouldn't just jump in the car without a map, right? Now, let's talk about the legal stuff. You'll need to register your business and get the necessary licenses and permits. This is where legalregistration.com can help. We make it easy to sort out the paperwork so you can focus on getting your business up and running. Understanding your competition is crucial when entering the waste management industry. Conduct a competitive analysis to identify other companies in your area, the services they provide, and their pricing strategies. By pinpointing gaps in the market or areas for improvement, you can position your business to meet the unmet needs of your target audience. For example, if no local providers focus on eco-friendly disposal, you could carve out a niche by emphasizing sustainable practices. Location is key. You'll need a place for your office and possibly a storage site for any equipment. It should be conveniently located for your operations and accessible to your customers. Speaking of equipment, you'll need the right tools for the job. This could include trucks, bins, and safety gear. It's worth investing in good equipment to ensure efficiency and safety. Hiring the right team is also crucial. Look for people with experience in waste management or who are eager to learn. A great team can make all the difference in how smoothly your business runs. Once everything's in place, start building relationships with potential clients. Reach out to local businesses, government bodies, and community groups. Word of mouth can be powerful, so deliver excellent service to get those referrals rolling in. Marketing is another important piece of the puzzle. Consider both online and offline strategies. A website, social media presence, and engaging with community events can all help get your name out there. Finally, keep an eye on industry regulations and trends. Waste management is an ever-evolving field, and staying informed can help you adapt and grow. Starting a waste management company isn't easy, but with the right preparation and support, it can be incredibly rewarding. If you're ready to take the next step, visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 for assistance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on starting and running your own business.